Have you gotten up and you just don't want to do anything, but you still push yourself? Yeah, I feel that way today. So I wanted to start with prayer to just get grounded before I carry out my duties for the day. It's a weekend and I'm feeling really overwhelmed, but we're not going to get that far. We're just going to nip it in the bud and get some exercise in. So I'm going to start with tennis because we have to keep up the exercise, we have to keep feeling good, and then of course our mind right and our body right. It is a setup for a great day. So let's get it.
It has always been about you, never been a table set for two. You never care a little bit, not much. So now I'm gonna make a fuss.
Next on the roster is just fixing some breakfast. I like to have a light fruit plate with yogurt in the mornings. Helps me to keep grounded, keep my calories in check for all the things that I'm about to do for the day before I actually eat something substantial in the afternoon. So here we go.
I don't need this no more. I don't need to stay, finna walk out that door. My mistake, giving you love galore. Hope you find someone that can really adore you. Don't worry, I ain't keeping grudges, cause I'm doing better, life cannot be more golden. But honestly, I won't lie, sometimes I ask why I can't get you out my head. Now hard to forget that I tell me
hope you've been enjoying my morning so far. Spending the morning with me is really something that is unpredictable. You don't know what I'm gonna do this weekend. But this weekend, it was just a little self-care and ensuring that like my home chores are done. We're gonna get ready now. We're gonna do a deep condition real quick on my hair because it's not been getting the tender loving care that it wants and needs. So I said, let me just stop this morning to do it while I do my skincare routine. So because I'm running out of time before I head out on the road to start those errands, I'm gonna dry my hair real quick with a bonnet dryer that I got from Shein and edit some videos before the week starts. Of course, I'm gonna go outside and pick up my laundry, and then given everything, I head out. It was quite an eventful morning. Thank you for coming along with me and sticking through it for this long. I am going on the road to do a couple errands because it's Saturday. I hope you enjoyed my morning routine. I hope you come back for the next one. I'm gonna go. Like I said, have a great day, have a great weekend, and I'll catch you back in the next